Effective time management is crucial for success. Here are key strategies to help you stay on track. 1. Prioritize tasks. Use the Eisenhower matrix to categorize tasks: urgent, important, non-essential. Focus on high-impact tasks that align with your long-term goals. 2. Time blocking. Set specific blocks of time for work, meetings, and breaks. This method prevents distractions and ensures focus on what matters. 3. Set SMART goals. Break your vision into specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound goals. This creates clarity and direction for each task. 4. Delegate. Don't attempt everything alone. Delegate tasks to free up your time. This allows for higher-level decisions and creativity. 5. Eliminate distractions. Turn off non-essential notifications and create a distraction-free workspace. Set boundaries with colleagues or clients during focus time. 6. Use technology wisely. Project management apps and time trackers keep you organized. These tools help you stay organized and aware of your time usage. 7. Review and reflect. Assess your weekly time management effectiveness. Celebrate wins and adjust strategies for continual improvement. Using these strategies will optimize your productivity and keep you focused on your goals.